who I am in this October takeover? Take an honest guess right now before I tell you. I'll give you a hint. Oh, I haven't seen one of these in years. Hey, it's Drea, aka Scuttle from Little Mermaid. I am from Clueless Mama D, but today it's a takeover, another Halloween takeover on Auntie Tay's DIY channel. I always show you guys either Dollar Tree DIYs or Trash to Treasure. That's what my channel's about, Clueless Mama D. And today I am showing you a Halloween themed coffee bar. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy how affordably fun this DIY is. And if you like your time with me after you're done watching the video, and I'm sweating bullets here, you can go into the description. You'll find my channel, Clueless Mama D, a link there. And when you go to that video, just hit subscribe and the bell. And as always, the products are listed in the description, as well as your discount code to get some deals on some of my favorite products from shopauntitay.com that make DIYing so much better. Let's get to the DIY. Whew.
The countdown to Halloween is on, so let's make this Halloween countdown sign. I'm going in with Auntie Tay's White Blanco, my favorite, always using it. And guys, this was a miracle come true. This sticker came off so easily. This is me being excited about that. This is a Dollar Tree sign. It's been in Dollar Tree for months, at least in my area, so you can grab it, have a look. And in this beautiful tangerine chalk paint, again from shopauntitay.com. Anything from Auntie Tay, you can use my coupon in the description, get 10% off and get your goods on. And then I painted the top and bottom of it black. Some of the letters I didn't have black stickers, so I also painted those as well. But I think putting a Sharpie on top probably would have worked just as good. I got the inspiration for this sign on Instagram. I don't remember her name, but she had a countdown to her birthday, and it was like in gold and stuff, and it was so cute. Okay, so this is a little cute thing to hold marshmallows for hot cocoa for the kids on the stand. And I just thought, why not call them ghost droppings? So I thought that was really cute. I don't have a paint pen, so I'm literally just using that Blanco paint on the back of a paintbrush. And that's as good as it came out. I got these from Dollar Tree, but my daughter got into them. I'm lucky there was any left for the video. It was actually the perfect amount too. And some of my footage disappeared like a fart in the wind. That top skeleton is literally just fabric I had leftover from Michael's, and I just Mod Podged it to the top of the lid. And this, of course, is a Dollar Tree jar. There you go. So these cups, okay, these cups, this is huge. So Tay sent me this water slide paper, which I had no clue. I was like, what the heck, water slide? I can't even swim. I don't like when my hair gets wet. What is this? It took me a little bit to use it. Oh my gosh, this is a game changer. Okay, so you get two sheets, the blue one and this one. This is your tattoo. It's like tattoo paper, water slide. I don't know, but just follow me here. So you're gonna print out your SVG, or I'm on PicMonkey right now. Auntie Tay has tons of SVG, guys. This one's in SVG, the Trick or Treat, and then below are some of the ones that I just wrote in for other projects. You just want to make sure if you're using words especially that you reverse them if you're going to transfer them onto something. So I'm just in PicMonkey, reversing everything, putting it all so that it can print out on one sheet. So I have 5 different projects on one sheet. You're going to take the colored paper and separate it from the clear sticky paper. Get rid of that blue paper. Like, this is a miracle, guys. I hope you're still with me. Comment below. And then you're going to press that on top. I forgot to say that when you're printing out in the printer on the tattoo paper, you want to make sure you print on the slightly shinier side. Because at first I didn't know what side to put it on. And I would recommend smoothing it down slowly so that you don't have bubbles. And guys, look, you just watch how easy this is. If you've been following me, you know I suck at anything that's free-handed, and I don't have a Cricut. So for poor people like me, this is a game changer, okay? Okay, and actually it's better if you have a Cricut anyways. I mean, like, it's good too because you can cut closer to. I wasn't able to cut out, but you don't need a Cricut. And no more haggard writing. So you stick it on just like I did, and then you're going to soak a rag. These are stained rags from different projects. That's why they look so gross. But basically, I just separated the paper after I separated that sticky sheet off of the tattoo paper. I stuck it onto the cup, and now I'm saturating it in water, guys. Okay? It's not hard. And here is where the slippery water slide comes in. Just wait for it. Are you ready? Look. Awesome! I just have to work on my straight game because that's a little crooked. And the pass the booze I thought was such a cute saying. I saw something that said I'm here for the booze, and I thought I'm just going to put pass the booze and trick or sip. I'm sure you guys have seen trick or sip everywhere. So comment below, how awesome was that? And again, there's a 10% coupon in the description if you need to get your water slide paper. So for the 2-tier tray, I'm going in with the Blanco as well as the color Rain. Rain is sort of like a grayish blue. It's one of my favorite colors at shopantitay.com. And the thing is, these stovetop cover thingies from Dollar Tree, they kind of have like a pinkish gray color. So when I was combining it together, I didn't like that. So I added some black just to make the gray of the tray even darker. And then I'm in there, I'm going for it. But like, honestly, I'm so excited. Like, it's such a game changer. And I forgot to say with the cups that you do want to add epoxy over, but I don't have that either. So I'm just going to wash it by hand, and I put a little bit of Mod Podge on it, and hopefully that will make it last for a long time. But it will definitely last for the season. So I blabbed on there, but I just dry brushed white over the gray when it was dry. And then I have these 4 wooden mini plant pots that are from Dollar Tree, and I'm just painting them white in the Blanco as well. And these are going to be legs that I glue underneath the bottom tray. So I glued that with my E6000 so it will hold. And yes, no, ain't nobody wasting paint on the bottom of the tray. Ain't nobody looking at the bottom of the tray. Ain't nobody painting the bottom of the tray. Okay, so you guys see it, but nobody else does. Then I took these 2 little shot glasses, again with E6000. These are from Dollar Tree. I think, yeah, everything I've showed you guys is from Dollar Tree. So that's, I guess, why this is a Dollar Tree DIY video. And some of you might have saw me make this tray on my channel as well, because I did make it for some other Halloween decor. And I did just quickly spray paint with some crappy spray paint I got from a different dollar store, and I had a little bit left, so I just spray painted this part, and then I dry brushed it with that Rain gray chalk paint that we made. Okay, so now we're gonna just go ahead and glue that to the middle of the tray. Look, that's it, people. That is it. There is your tray for your coffee bar, coffee station, whatever you want to call it. You got the countdown, and this is how it looks. Okay, so I added some cinnamon on top of there. I did saw somebody else that I've watched her videos, but I can't remember her channel name, and she put cinnamon on a fall tray she did, and I thought, oh, that's a great idea. These are just pumpkins from the dollar store. This is a jar from the dollar store where I added some spoons to go there so you can mix your coffee or your hot cocoa. The pass the booze, oh my gosh. And ghost droppings off to the side. I've got more cinnamon sticks in the back here. And over here, here's where some footage got missing. I just took a permanent marker and drew jack-o'-lantern faces on them, and you could use that for your spice and your sugar to go in your tea and coffee, and it looks really, really cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my channel. I put the link to this video you're seeing here of awesome modern Halloween decor. You can click on that and hit the subscribe while you're on that video and watch it if you like. Thanks, Tay, for having me. Love you, lovelies. Mwah.